Guys, today's videos our topic is how to create an ultimate professional website. This topic is covered by the Wix itself. Wix is going to teach you how to create a website. Wix is actually a website builder owned by an Israeli company which provides you the ultimate website builder where you can make professional and simple basic websites. Some are free of cost, but if you want the professional templates you need to buy it. First of all, we are going to check how to create this website according to wix.com. Wix says you need to first of all follow 7 steps to create this website. The first step is strategize your brand, approach the design, prioritize usability, prepare for search engines, professional your site, and go mobile, keep visitors engaged. These are the 7 steps that are required to create a professional website, and these are steps by according to the Wix blog. First of all, we are going to check what is strategize your brand. So here it is, strategize your brand. This is the first step. Your first task is to devise a detailed branding strategy. You don't want to start creating a website before you have a solid idea of the site's purpose, intended audience, guiding visual philosophy or tone of voice. All of these should become clear to you as pursue the following. First of all, identify your target. Who are they? Which demographic groups do they belong to? What do they like to do? How do they do themselves? How will your business or website influence their lives? These are the most major questions that everybody should ask before trying to make a website. The second step is research your competitors. Do some market research to get a feel on what the competitors is doing, what their strengths and weaknesses are, and how you can carve a niche for yourself in the field. Define your brand ability. If you had to describe your brand in 3 words, what would they be? What is the vision that motivates your brand? Think of your brand's personality and extract from it tangible traits like brand colors, vocabulary, and style. Prepare consistent branding material. Now it's time to get practical and prepare the materials that will soon be featured on your site and across your other branding assets. Make sure to create your own logo as well as images, slogans, videos, textual content, and more. These elements should all correspond to your brand identity and serve your branding strategy. The number 2 step is approach the design. From choosing the right website color scheme to crafting the right layout for your site, there are many aspects to take into account when it comes to the website design itself. For example, choose a template. Website templates give a solid foundation of designing your site. Wix offers a vast selection of professional website templates for a range of themselves, themes, styles, and purposes. The second step is customize your template. Once your heart is set on a template, it is time to turn it into your own website by customizing and editing. Or add in all your content including text, images, videos, links, and audios. The third one is tweak the look. There is much more to creating a website than just choosing the best fonts, colors, and images. You can incorporate a variety of media features to enhance your overall aesthetics. Try adding background videos and animation to your website, designing for added movement or parallax scrolling to craft a sense of depth. Then the third one is prioritize usability. Your website needs to catch the eye of an potential customer, but to ensure that visitors will keep browsing, you must also provide a positive user experience. Navigation flow. For optimal website navigation, make sure the site structure is clear and intuitive. Visitors should be able to easily navigate between pages and sub-pages using the main menu or internal links. The next one is content hierarchy. Hierarchy is one of the heaven principles of design, which is why you should pay extra attention to it. Your aim is to guide visitors through your site in the order that best suits your interest. And the third one is calls to action. Calls to actions are the short messages that invite site visitors to take action directly. They can encourage visitors to register free, get yours today, or subscribe. Then the fourth one is readability. What's the point of having a website if your content is practically illegible? Readability is basic principle in typography. Make sure to use clear fonts and comfortable font size, that your text colors contrast well with the background colors, and that you have enough empty space, white space around your written content. Footer. The bottom part of the website is known as the website footer. Footers are not immediately visible to the site visitors, but they can be used in a number of ways to enhance usability. The fourth one is prepare for search engines. Getting your site to rank prominently or search result is one of the most valuable ways to increase your traffic, which is why it is important to consider search engine optimization in the early stages of creating your site. A key part of online marketing, SEO is a science in its own right. Its key elements are keyword research, text. Every piece of text on your website, from your menu to your FAQ page, blog, footer, or bio section, should be written with SEO in mind. Meta tags. Search engines like Google read your meta tags. It's up to you to control what it is that they see and how they present your site in search results. Alt text. Images also play a prominent role in your SEO efforts. Every image that you upload to your website should have an alt text. Link building. Broadly put, your ranking on search engine results is likely to improve if you have other websites linking to your site. You can start by submitting your website to directories, making sure that all your social media profiles linking to your site, and encouraging site visitors to share your content as well. Keep in mind that SEO is a long-term process that does not end once your website is launched. The fifth one is professionalize your site. The sixth one is keep your visitors engaged. That is one of the best thing. Add newsletters, add some content in your blog, give social feed on the social media platforms, and that's it all for the today's video. If you need any other things, you can check out this website Wix blog. Wix blog has many other variable options. They provide social media, Google, and SEO options. They provide you many different articles, and they teach you how to do the SEO or many other things.